To get the most out of this course, you'll need to build your own Arduino wheeled robot. The instructions in the course are not meant to be followed precisely. You'll need to use your best judgment in order to build your robot using the components that you have in hand. And of course, your robot must be able to deal with the conditions in its own environment. So, to get the most out of this course, I have a few simple recommendations. Take the necessary time to think about the problem that the robot should be able to solve and how it will solve it. Review each lecture in its entirety before you go ahead to implement it on your robot. Because every implementation is different, it's possible that something that I say or do at the end of a lecture will be very useful to you at the start of your implementation. Take notes of your thoughts and photos of your robot. Successful inventors are prolific note-takers. Ideas are flimsy and ephemeral. Constructing this robot will take a lot of time, and you will have to make a lot of decisions along the way. Keeping notes and documenting your progress by taking photos will make your work less error-prone and your learning more effective. Keep multiple versions of your sketches. Especially during the calibration part of the project, most of the work will be done on the firmware. Small changes will make a big difference in how your robot operates. Very often, those differences will be negative, meaning that your robot will operate worse than it did before. Keeping past versions of the firmware will make it easy to go back to them and try a different path for improvement. Ask questions and compare notes with others. You can use the questions and answers tool that is available with each lecture to seek the help of others when you really get stuck. Provide details of the problem to help your colleagues understand your problem. General questions, poorly supported with details, will only attract general answers that will not be very helpful to you. Be patient. From the outside, people think that creating a gadget that simply follows a light is easy. But the richness of the task is in the detail. As you'll see, the detail can be very confusing. That's why you must be patient. You know that there is a solution to the technical problem we solve in this course, but finding the variation of that solution that works with your robot will take time. So, don't give up. And finally, don't forget to have fun. The best learning possible is when you enjoy it. Building this robot is not supposed to be work. It's not supposed to be done in a hurry or in a day. It's not supposed to be stressful. Work on it when you are free from other concerns, take as much time as you need, and enjoy the experience. You are creating something new and amazing.